In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Domino's account. In order to do that, first head over to Domino's Pizza. So it can be depending on your location, it can be .com, .ph, or .eu depending on your geography. So I have in here my actual website. So in order to create an account, you first need to head over and click on sign in. From in there, you'll be prompted to sign in using your email and password, or you can also sign in using your Google as well as your actual Facebook. So if you don't have an account yet, which in this case we don't have, is let's head over and create one by clicking on this create one option right there. Now once you have clicked on that, you'll be redirected to the pizza profile edit details. So head over and then just answer in here this, give your first name, last name, email address, confirm that, your phone number, your password that you would like to use, and just choosing here the actual option. You can uncheck this one, but you can need to actually check this in order to accept the terms and condition. Once you're done, you can create your profile, and after that, you should be able to have your own Domino's account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.